This isn't my first time in Japan, but this is my very first solo trip. No travel buddy, no tour guide, just me. A backpack, and a country that's still full of surprises. From navigating Japan train system to checking into my very first capsule hotel, let's see where this solo adventure takes me. Welcome to day 1 in Nagoya, Japan. Good morning everyone! It's currently 4:30 AM and nandito na ako sa airport para sa aking first ever solo trip to Japan. I won't lie. Kahit second time ko na sa Japan, I still feel very excited. At the same time, syempre kinakabahan ako because this time, ako lang mag-isa. Before checking in, huwag mong kalimutan magbayad ng iyong travel tax. Mine was 1,620 pesos. Thankfully, I got my round-trip ticket with Cebu Pacific for only 4,200. Pero syempre mga beshi, matagal ko nang pinook ito dahil alam ko na pupunta ako ng Japan sa birthday ko. Not bad, right? So, after checking in, make sure na kumpleto na ang inyong e-travel registration bago ka pumunta ng immigration. After ko naman sa immigration, I also activated my Klook eSIM before boarding, so I'll have internet connection the moment I arrive in Japan. Bes, sigurado ako kailangan mo ng internet. Kaya kung compatible ang iyong phone with eSIM, mag-eSIM ka na lang kaysa mag-rent ka ng Wi-Fi rental. Pero kung hindi naman, make sure to get one para meron kang internet pagdating mo sa Japan. These little things makes our solo traveling so much easier. After boarding, all that's left to do is wait. Looking out the window is finally hit me. I'm really getting back to Japan, but this time, I'm doing it on my own. After almost 4 hours, welcome to Japan!
At Nagoya.
Landing never gets old. The excitement is still there. After getting off the plane, I headed straight to immigration. Good thing, I already completed the Visit Japan Web before my trip. The process was smooth, and before I knew it, I officially entered Japan.
We're here. So kakatapos lang natin ang ating immigration na dito tayo sa Tube Central sa may Nagoya and maghanap tayo ng actually train station na sasakyan natin papuntang Nagoya mismo. Ang init, like literal.
Before leaving the airport, I made a quick stop at Flight of Dreams. If meron ka namang extra time bago ka pumunta ng Nagoya City, I highly recommend checking this place out. Airport pa lang, para attraction na agad. But for now, the real challenge begin. Time to find a train going to Nagoya Station. Honestly, ito yung part na medyo kinakabahan ako. Kapag solo ka, wala ka mapagtatanungan agad.
Ito yung bilihan ng ticket kung wala pa tayong ticket. But right now, may ticket naman na tayo. So pasok na tayo. Yung ticket natin is from Klook. Scan lang natin itong QR code. Ayan. QR code lang. Tapos hanapin natin yung train. Hanapin natin yung train kung saan tayo.
Thankfully, the station is inside Terminal 1. After following the directions, I finally found a platform. One challenge down. A few minutes later, welcome to Nagoya Station. Grabe, ang daming tao and even more exits. For a moment, I wasn't sure which way to go.
Tangilid tayo, natanong ko sa nilang exit.
Mabuti na nga lang, perfectly working yung kanilang Google Maps dito.
So right now, it's time to find our hotel. Actually, malapit lang dito sa Nagoya Station yung hotel na book ko. Like mga 5 to 10 minutes walk from here, from Nagoya Station. So, puntahan natin kasi it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Yung init niya actually siya, maalinsangan as of the moment. So hindi siya yung, di ba normal na init sa atin kasi mainit lang talaga no? Pero dito maalinsangan yung init niya. And, naku, hindi ka pwede mag-jacket dito. Masala ko pagpapawis. Pero the place, tignan mo naman kasi yung place. The place is new for me, like literal na new. And, parang sarap pa ikot dito mamaya. Actually, dito lang ako sa area na to. Hanggang bukas as I'm going to Kyoto tomorrow.
And after a few minutes of walking, finally, I found my hotel. Mission accomplished. Ngayong gabi dito ako sa 9H9 Hour Capsule Hotel magstay. Malapit lang ito sa Nagoya Station. Mga 5 to 10 minutes lang ang lakad nito. Kaya make sure kapag magbubook kayo ng any capsule hotel, make sure na malapit sa station para madaling hanapin mga besh. Pagkatapos mo mag-check-in, you get your own locker, a towel, pajamas, slipper, and all the basic amenities. Syempre, with Wi-Fi. Yung shower room, yung lavatory, and the restroom, everything was spotless. Ang linis. And also separate din yung room ng men and women. You know what? I always wanted to experience a capsule hotel, but honestly, I didn't know what to expect. And finally, yung capsule. Simple, minimalist, surprisingly comfortable. Definitely not what I expected.
Out on a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island ride.
After resting for a bit, I could have just stayed in bed. Pero syempre hindi pwede kasi nga first day natin dito sa Nagoya. So I decided to head to Sky Promenade.
Hi guys! Based sa Google recommendation, meron dito ang Sky Promenade sa Nagoya. At pwede tayong umakyat doon for 1,000 pesos, 1,000 yen yung entrance para makita natin yung buong Nagoya. Yung parang, para makikita mo talaga yung buong Nagoya. Parang 360 view siya sa taas. So, titingnan natin. At I think hanggang alas 10 ng gabi yung open nun. Kaya, 7:30 pa lang naman. Okay, let's go. Puntahan natin doon. This is the place.
And there ain't a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in
JR
your
Gate
blue
Mall.
eyes.
Itong
Waiting a
area.
drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a
Located ito sa top floor ng Midland Square. Ito yung observation deck offers one of the best views in the city.
Check natin.
We don't need a beach to get a half
Laki ng
naked.
elevator.
Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it.
Oh, Marriott doon sa Marriott
Is
yung
wherever we
harapan.
make it.
Kasi JR Gate pala yan. Tsaka yung station, train
Till the
station.
sun's up Monday. We'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe.
Wow,
And you can
it's
finally pull the
beautiful.
tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt.
The view, doon sa 1,000 yen.
Sound machine when we wanna hear the ocean. I think
And honestly,
Wow.
pictures don't do it justice. Standing here, looking over Nagoya at night, this was the moment everything finally felt real. For 1,000 yen entrance, sulit na sulit talaga itong Sky Promenade.
Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng likod ko. Nailaw pa talaga. Sige, tingnan natin. Ikutin natin. Actually, this is 360 daw.
Kaya kung first time mo dito, ano pang hinihintay mo? Visit mo lang, napakalapit lang nito sa Nagoya Station.
At wala siyang ano dito friend. Wala siya nung tinatawag na lang air conditioning. Hindi air conditioning area na to. Hindi air conditioning area. Kaya feel mo din na medyo mainit siya. Pero mahangin. Mainit na mahangin. Ayan.
Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't wanna, we don't ever have to leave.
Ganda.
Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Kasi isa pwede mong ikutin or lakarin itong pinaka-tok-tok na to. Pwede, may mga available din naman ng mga upuan dito kung gusto mo lang tumambay, kung gusto mo lang, nakatambay lang talaga. May mga upuan dito na available sa gilid. Ayan. So, available naman yan. Pwede mong gamitin siyan. And also, bukod dyan, meron doon mga restaurant. May restaurant doon na pwede kayo mag-inom, kumain. Parang barbecue style siya na nakainan. And actually, ang dami nga nag-inom. So, maganda dito sa taas, maaliwalas, medyo mainit na talaga yung panahon, kaya yung hangin niya, mainit din. Kung gusto mo lang tumambay, gusto mo makita yung city view ng Nagoya, why not? Why not try to consider this one for 1,000 yen entrance per head?
To get a half naked life's too short. Let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it.
Yan, dito muna ako magdi-dinner sa 7-Eleven right now kasi nga, first night natin. I think this one is chicken at saka rice. Mura na rin. Actually, mabubusog ka na rin dito kapag kahit 7-Eleven lang kaya rin kasi masarap pagkain nila dito mga besh. Kakain muna tayo.
After enjoying the view, it was finally time for dinner. Instead of eating at a fancy restaurant, I went somewhere a lot simpler. Syempre, sa 7-Eleven. People always say Japanese convenience stores are different. And now, I finally understand why. Simple chicken and rice, affordable, and surprisingly delicious. The next morning, you know what, I feel refreshed. Quick shower lang. Syempre nag-breakfast, I packed my things and checked out. One night in Nagoya definitely wasn't enough, but this was only day one. Traveling solo felt a little scary at first, but after the day, it felt more exciting than scary. And the best part, this adventure is just getting started. Ang next stop natin ay pupunta tayo ng Kyoto.
Hey guys, nakapag-check out na tayo dito sa ating hotel. Right now, our next destination is I'm going to Kyoto via
So
train.
Beshe, kung nagpaplano ka na mag-travel solo papuntang Nagoya, Japan, panoorin mo to dahil meron pa tayo mga susunod na exciting na adventure.
To get a half naked
See you in my
life's
next
too short.
vlog.
Let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we